Hi Awaters, it's Trish. For today's vlog, which is my first ever vlog, I'm going out with my OG friends and we're headed to Catao Falls located in Pilar, Capiz. Since exam is finally done, this gala will be our rewards and our time to unwind. After 30 minutes of traveling, we arrive at President Rojas. Since it's lunchtime, we plan to stop at Rojas Sizzling cause we're so gutom na. We ordered their best selling which is the inihaw na manok. So while we're waiting, napag-usapan namin na bibili kami ng snacks on our way to Pilar. Then in a while, na-serve na rin yung in-order namin.
Kay Eric, basta sa punta. Hindi mo kami ha. Ang order.
Get well. Mga gutom na. Ay, pusing mo.
Tulog.
Taon. Timo.
So my food is not yet served because it's sizzling and I'm allergic to chicken so I ordered their bang silog.
Yeah. Ako laya. You're laughing, eh? 10, big bite 10.
It's still raining guys, but we don't have a choice. Kailangan nating umusan. So we stop at President Rojas Market to buy some snacks.
No, isa lang. Why na isa?
After that, biyahe naman tayo ulit around 20 to 30 minutes. On our way to Catao, we're so amazed by this nature. Sobrang ganda. Galing talaga ni Lord. Napapaisip na lang ako, paano kaya to nagawa? But you know, everything is possible with Him.
Gago. Dali, dali. Dali. Tina. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, hey, hey! Hey, araw.
Welcome to Catao Falls. Uy!
Ay, mga way da kaupod namin, di amon spot iya. Mark Lawrence, mo os, nagsol ka eh. Ay, kagaupod na sa amon, daan ka syempre, superhero ka na mo. Ay, kung turkuhon ta ka. Hello.
At pagbaba namin, kailangan magbayad ng parking fee that costs 10 pesos for the motorcycle and 20 pesos for the car.
Hi, ganay sa vlog so. Hi, vlog. Hi guys, kung mag-vlog ka ba lang? Ron, hi, ganay sa vlog, Ron. Hi. Malapit lang,
At bago tayo makapunta sa falls, maglalakad muna tayo ng 3 to 5 minutes. But first, we need to pay 20 pesos per head for the entrance fee. We also rented their table which cost 50 pesos.
Kita. Trish.
Finally, we're here at Catao Falls located in Pilar, Capiz. So sadly, malubog yung tubig but it's flowing so goods na rin. And we're here na sa ating cottage. Siyempre, kakain muna tayo.
Magkala ako nakamo. Get well.
Ngayon, tamad na wala na ayos.
So, napag-isipan namin na dito kami maliligo sa part ng falls na pwede ka na ring tumalon at makapagligo pero maliit lang yung space.
Bali, mas grabe din hindi kita rin kuya.
Ano lang to?
Hindi, mas marami ka rin hindi grabe din kilig. Kaya dito.
Baka tayangin tayo, baka
Kaya ang tubig dito. Yan gusto medyo kasi.
Ge, Pinoy Isay! Pinoy Isay! Pinoy Isay!
Yun na lang nga.
Yeah, boy! Sunod, sunod, sunod! Sunod! One, two, three! Hey! Nakabikon! Bukal-bukal mo.
Go to game. Go.
Then we plan na bumiyahin na pabalik ng Rojas dahil baka umulan pa ulit. Still guys, we're amazed dahil sobrang ganda talaga ng nature. I'm sorry, hindi enough yung clips for you to see how beautiful it is dahil naabutan nga kami ng ulan, so I had to stop taking videos. And that's all for our first vlog. More gala with them so that we could have our next vlog. Thanks for watching!